Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Day Trails. Welcome to my channel. Got a little bit of upgrade on my Trek Madone Gen 8. It's an SL6 version, and I got the 2026 model. Made some upgrades to it, but there's one upgrade that I'm really interested in, and that's upgrading the crankset. The crank system, the grip set that this bike came with was a SRAM Rival, and the cranks are on SRAM Rival cranks, 170 millimeter. And I wanted to make them a little bit lighter. They were a little bit heavy, so we're gonna make them a little bit lighter today. And if you come over here, we've got the old crankset lined up right here on the desk. I'm gonna go ahead and weigh these, and we're gonna unbox this is a big surprise here, the new SRAM Force crank arms, crankset with the 170 millimeter and the Powermeter chain ring. So this is a very special box here. But we're gonna go ahead and weigh the old ring. The ring that came with the bike was the SRAM Rival. And the biggest chain ring that it came in with was a 4835. And I wanted to go just a little bit bigger. And I upgraded the chain ring to, Rival didn't come with a 52 chain ring, so I had to get the Force 52. And this really is a work of art. It's, if you zoom in on it here, the machining is just really, really nice on that chain ring. And this one is a 5037, a little bit bigger chain ring, so I can go a little bit faster. Didn't want to go with a 52, a little bit too big, 54. Maybe down the road with this new system here, it's going to make it a whole lot easier. And yeah, there it is right there. And so anyway, we're going to weigh these right now. Come over to the scales here. Let me tear it out. Hit that. And I'm going to try to get it lined up for you to get a good idea of how much these weigh here. So this, just the crank arm there, that's 481, if you can see that. And then we're going to put the other one on there. That is 801. I don't know if you can see that. 801 grams for that. Okay, now let's do the big unboxing here. Okay. And this is the, I'm really excited about this, by the way. This is the SRAM Force. And people say, well, why didn't you just get an SLR7 and save yourself some time? Well, you know, you buy the bike that you can afford, but you really need to buy the bike that you want. That's the moral of the story here. So anyway, this is the SRAM Force. Really excited about this. And go ahead and pull out the trusty Benchmade knife here. Official unboxing knife. We're gonna cut that open right there. SRAM Force, there it is in all its glory. Ta-da! With the Powermeter. We're gonna pull this out of the box here. There's a calibration. It passed the calibration test. And here is the SRAM Force 5037 in a 170 length and the carbon fiber. And we're gonna put this right here, back side here. And to unscrew this chain ring, you simply unscrew that bolt there, and you hook up a special tool right here with a chain on it that moves it and helps you disconnect. That's another video. But we're gonna go ahead and lay this on here right now to get a weight of this. Go ahead and open up that. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I can just barely see it. I'll tell you what it is. That right there is 475 in there. 475. And let me get the other side here, and we'll unbox this one. Very lightweight, very lightweight. SRAM Force. 170. We're gonna go ahead and get this one on the scale as well. So 475 plus, go ahead and move this over here. That 475, and I'll go and gently lay this on here. 728. That is 728. So overall weight savings, that's 78 grams lighter for the carbon fiber cranks and the Powermeter. 78 grams. It's pretty substantial. I guess if you were to put this smaller chain ring on here without the Powermeter, you could probably save about 20 grams. But overall, that's pretty good. I mean, real excited about putting these cranks on the bike today. Really excited about the Powermeter, and I will pair that up with my Wahoo bike computer to get more accurate indication on the my power. This is a left and right side Powermeter, so it detects your power going this way as well as this way. So anyway, that's my unboxing video of the SRAM Force Powermeter carbon fiber crankset. Thanks a lot. We'll see you.